Hi everyone, I am just going to create this little tutorial to do a back post single crochet 2 together stitch, which is a decrease stitch. I'll just refresh you first on how to do a normal decrease stitch for single crochet. So the normal way we do it is we just no yarn over, just your loop on the hook, go into the stitch or space that's been assigned to you by your pattern, pull up a loop. Now I've got 2. Then you're going to go into the next stitch or space, pull up another loop, we have 3. Then you pull through all 3 loops on the hook and we have created one stitch. There's only one set of top loops now from 2 stitches. That's a decrease, right? And that's done as a single crochet 2 together decrease. Now I'm going to show you how to do that as a back post stitch. So I've just put the chains there for some room. Now we come up from the back like any normal back post stitch and down from the top and pull the loop through like we would do if we were making a back post single crochet. But we don't yarn over and pull through. What we do now is we come over to the next stitch, up from the back, down from the top, pull the yarn through again, and now we have 3 loops on the hook and we have snagged 2 stitches, one at a time. There's one there, you can see the purple, and there's the second one. And now to finish, we pull through all 3 now from the back, and that has now cinched 2 stitches together. You see 2 sets of top loops here in the green, but only one set, if I hide my chains, one set of top loops for the back post single crochet 2 together. Simple as that. I'll give myself a bit of room again and come over here and do it again. You come up from the back, down from the top, pull through, and again in the next stitch, up from the back, down from the top, pull through, 3 loops, pull through, back post single crochet 2 together. And if you roll the stitches forward, you'll be able to see the horizontal bars. There's 2 there, making 1 stitch here, and there are 2 more over here the first time I did it. So read your pattern carefully. There will be a reason why they want you to do this. From the back, it just looks like that. You'll see this little double up here. From the front, it's practically invisible other than the fact that these 2 stitches have come together. Now look, don't worry about the fact that this is worsted weight yarn. It's very thick, and this is just a double DK yarn. I was just demonstrating. But that's all it is. A single crochet 2 together decrease, but made as a back post. So one more time, up from the back, down from the top, pull through, again up from the back, down from the top, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3, and that's the third one. That's it, nice and easy. In case you ever need it, there it is. But always check your horizontal bars to make sure you've got them cleanly around your stitches. That's a standard remark I make whenever we're doing back post stitch work. Back post, single crochet 2 together decrease. There it is. Bye.